area, yeah? So, Ghost, Hassan's here. Let's keep it contained, yeah?
Don't go. Two, lock it down. Roger that. Yes, sir.
2-0. You with me?
Coming your way, sir.
You're injured.
What's the difference?
Life or death. Keep your blood in, you'll need every drop.
Thanks for the tip.
Let's go. This way.
Where are you?
There's a church. I'm heading to it. Let's RV there. You'll need to improvise to survive.
Line him up next to his amigo.
Graves and Shadow are on a killing spree.
Looking for Hassan.
Hassan and us.
I said turn around!
Estas calles son nuestras.
Do it.
Fucking hell.
Boys found some dirty cops around the corner here. Let's go have a word with them.
No joy. Door's locked.
Look for supplies, things you can make tools with. Welcome to guerrilla warfare.
Creeping Jesus. Poor bastard. Found the rope.
That's a start. Keep looking.
Broke off a fan blade.
Tie off the blade with the rope and pry open a door.
Sounds like you've done this before.
Years of practice.
Busted the fan blade.
Get you through the door.
Affirmative.
Good. Stay on the hunt. There'll be more where that came from.
¿Tú quién te crees? ¡Somos la policía! ¡Fucking leones!
¡No lastimen a ninguno! ¡Te lo suplico! ¡Por favor!
Take the kid. Get him out of here.
Let's go. Come on. You're with me. Quiet. Come on.
Look what we got here. Tenemos más policía. Cops helping cartels. Let's show them how we handle corruption, yeah?
Happy to, sir.
El sin nombre who killed you for this.
Oh, no. El Sin Nombre is no bueno right now, amigo.
He cut your fucking head off.
Shut the fuck up. No más habla. This is going to look muy familiar to usted, amigo. Torch it.
¡No! ¡No! ¡Te arrancaré los huevos!
Get him out of here. Take him to the spot with the rest of them.
Right away, Commander.
All right, these narcos are warlords, and the people here will do anything to help them. So no pussying around, okay? If they're harboring Hassan, I want him flushed out! And, keep your head on a swivel for these Brits. Take them dead or alive. You know my preference.
Yep.
Creeping bloody Jesus. Found a headlamp. Not too far from its previous owner.
Good. Careful with it. Can light your way but attract attention.
Woof.
What's the latest?
Marks are killing everything in their path.
War crimes.
Makes me want to commit a few war crimes of my own.
Tyranny. It won't stand.
Think we'll get a green light to go after these guys.
No more green lights, Johnny. We're on our own.
What about Captain Price?
Price isn't here, is he? The old man can't bail us out, not this time.
I don't trust anyone. Don't trust anyone right now. Even Price.
See, just make sure you can trust yourself. Start there.
Good advice, LT. I want to be like you when I grow up.
You want to be better than me, Johnny?
Maybe I already am.
Here.
Now's your chance to prove it.
Those fucking bells.
What's going on up there? Want to go check it out?
Do you see the caged dog?
Big geezer. If he barks, shoot him and repo quickly. Don't get compromised.
You are stone cold, Simon.
Why has 2 legs and bleeds?
What?
Half a dog.
Sorry I asked.
Give me a sit rep.
Outside. Gated alley.
Stick to the edges and stay low.
Copy.
You may get a brag rag for this.
A medal.
Chest candy.
Dead shadows are my medals.
You said you wanted a win. Congratulations, you're a winner.
Why Beale your head?
English McTavish.
Sorry, sir. Let me translate. Go fuck yourself.
Much better. Church is on the north side of the city. I've set up a sniper position in the church tower. Find your way there and you might just make it.
Resisting.
Escúchame, cabrón. You are making a mistake muy fucking grande.
You like working for narcos?
Esto es territory de las
Huh?
calles.
You like money?
No.
El dinero, hombre?
Graves is rounding up cops.
He's judge, jury, and executioner now.
Escúchame, cabrón. You are making a mistake muy fucking grande.
You like working for narcos? Huh? You like money?
Graves is rounding up cops.
He's judge, jury, and executioner now.
Right. Fucking dead already.
Bottle.
Good for a distraction.
Roger, go ahead. What the hell was that? I'll go check.
Chucked a ball. Word like a charm.
Told ya. Pay attention and you just might learn something.
What the fuck? I'll see what's up.
Commandeered some wax, LT.
Could prove useful.
Found some chemicals.
Tied them up with some wax, you got a smoke bomb. A toxic distraction.
Sick. I like it.
Guarantee you they won't.
What the hell?
Enemy! My position!
asshole with the mask and the other leprechaun.
Irish. I told you that.
Go! Enemy! Engaging!
It's pissing it down out here.
Speak English.
It's raining fucking hard.
Then say so.
Sweet. Don't mind if I do. Now we're in business. Ghost,
Soap.
found the tripwire rigged to a shotgun. Disarmed it, took the gun.
Open hearts and minds with it, Johnny.
Good find. Ghost, you missing a knife?
Several.
Think I found one.
Some of the dead shadows are my handiwork.
You came through here,
On my way to the church.
and you left me.
I'm used to working alone.
So much for no man left behind.
Just get yourself to the church. Trying to keep you alive and get you here in one piece. One of us needs to survive to tell the tale.
What are my odds?
Don't make me bet against you. Still got a lot of ground to cover. Johnny, Graves is burning the midnight oil to find us. Why?
Graves and Shepard are both involved. No matter what, this is an unprecedented amount of fuckery. Mousetrap. Gotta be a way to use this.
Surprisingly useful as a trigger.
To set something off.
Exactly, Johnny. Not an airstrike, but it'll do.
Picked up some tape.
Very useful,
If I had to wrap a gift.
so to speak. Hold on to it.
Can use this. Seek and ye shall find.
What you got?
Black powder.
Nice. This could get interesting.
I'm in the coffee shop.
Get us a tea.
Fucking Brits. You're gonna owe me for this.
Why?
We're fixing each other's problems.
What's my problem?
The mask. Take it off.
Show my face.
Yes, sir.
Negative.
Are you ugly?
Quite the opposite.
I doubt that. Don't mind if I do. Shit. Locked. Gotta find the combo.
You two, check out that warehouse.
Guy's got no gun. He won't get far.
He's 141, still dangerous. Go left, I'll clear the alley.
Roger. On it. You here? Not too late to surrender.
Johnny, town's full of tunnels. One leads out across from the church. Be advised, the tunnel is flooded. Prepare for a cold swim.
Can't wait.
Find you.
I can work with that.
Fucking go.
Do you copy? Go. Good here.
Copy that. Where the fuck are you?
Fuckers! Any visual? No visual! Clear that area. Copy.
Cool. Code check.
Go ahead.
You find anything?
All quiet.
Roger. Secure the perimeter.
Hide. You're close. Going hot. Got a target. There he is. They're flanking left. Get him in.
Still upright.
So far, so good. For fuck's sake.
Eric! Boy, cover!
I'll take that. LT, I'm at the bar.
You like tequila?
Could use one right about now.
Fire!
What's that? Somewhere, aren't you?
Ghost,
Talk to me, Johnny.
I found the tunnel.
The church plaza is on the other end of the tunnel. Push through. You're nearly here.
I'll kill the Irish.
You'll have to get in close and find the gaps.
Rog.
James, how copy? Not on call.
You got eyes on the church.
Aye.
Good. You're on the right track. Keep coming.
Think I found a way through LT.
Shadows are everywhere. I'll hold them off until we RV in front of the church and secure a vehicle for exfil.
Roger that.
Give him hell, Johnny. We're almost there.
What the? Oh, get down! All shadow stations. Got one near the church.
Holy hell. Ghost, was that you?
Who else? Now go.
Hell yeah. Bloody break. Ghost, how copy?
Johnny, got company in the church and they're not here for forgiveness.
Copy, LT.
me! Contact dead ahead! Stay sharp. They know we're here and they know it's us. They'll send more. I see them. Watch the alley! Johnny, stay close. Heads up for a vehicle we can take it. So, pickup truck ahead. Lights on. See it! I'll drive, Johnny. Take shotgun. All right, Johnny. We made it. We made it, LT. Hold fast. That's one way of doing it. Get back! Thanks. Drive.